Hello everybody, my name is Pippo Siciliano and I'm here tonight to make a nice homemade pizza. And I don't have a pizza oven, but I got my normal convent oven and that will work just as good for tonight. We need to make the pizza dough. Now everybody in Victoria, in Melbourne, in isolation from Brunswick to Footscray. So we need to stick together, and the food is the love that bonds everybody, not fucking COVID-19, let me tell you. So what we're gonna do is, now I'm a little bit lazy, so I'm gonna use the kitchen aids to put in everything here. So we start off, we can put in flour, beautiful. We put in the sugar. We put in the yeast. We put in the oil, and we leave the salt for last. And that goes in there. And then we put in the water, just in here like this. And what we do with this one, the mixture already inside, and then we crank this up very high to 1. And that is going to massage and turn all those ingredients into a nice homemade dough. Sometimes hold the hand up because it can get out of hand. And let it knead a little bit, and then we throw in the sugar, the salt. And slowly put the salt inside there. And then we'll leave this for 10 minutes. Oh yeah, back. Okay, you can see it's ready because of its very smooth texture here, and it's very smooth. So we're gonna bring it back over there. Now I've coated this bowl with olive oil. Now what I do is I put this in, and I just make sure it's coated very nicely with the olive oil. Or pretend it's a nice piece of bread and a bella sauce, and you're just going in, you know. Now this is nice beautiful balls. We put it inside here now, like so. And I'm going to put it a nice very tight. You don't make this very tight, like you know, at the gym when you're working out and you see someone with tight buns. You need to make it that tight. Alright? Very tight. Very, very tight. Make sure it's nice and tight, you know. See that? You hear a nice little snap. Okay, so you put this in the oven. Cool oven, not on, and you just have the light on. Now what's going to happen is that this is going to double in size after 1 hour. So I'm going to put this in, I'm going to have a nicer coffee, and I'll be back. Look at that, that's a risen to perfection, that one there. So we take this out, this shit over there, and I'm going to make 2 pizze. I'm going to make a margherita, and I am going to make a Nutella pizza, as I said before. Now let's just have this, so we can have it too. Now I've got the beautiful pizza tray here. I've already oiled it up like I was going to the beach. And there you go, you've got yourself a nice pizza base. Okay, so now we're gonna add the garlic first, which is pre-chopped in olive oil. So we're going to add that on the base. Put as much as you can, because garlic is beautiful. It's an antihistamine, I think. Lots of garlic. I'm a real garlic fan, so I'm going to make this very garlicky. Now this is a homemade tomato sauce which I've made. And now we just spread that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this one is beautiful, look at this! Oh yes! Look, just, you know, put it on, I don't care. Next important part of this is the cheese. I like to add, this is mozzarella cheese. And it's very, very good. Now I like a cheese, so I'm just going to sprinkle a lot of cheese over the top. If I'm making you hungry now, that means I win and I'm doing the right thing. If I'm not making you hungry, piss off. Okay, oh yeah. Oh yeah, this one very nice here. Very nice. This is from the garden, they smell fantastic. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. Oh, I love the smell of basil in the morning. And I'll sprinkle a little bit of Parmesan cheese at the top, just to make it a little bit cheesier. Just like the rind. Beautiful. Now the oven is put up to 245. I put it at the top. Pizza at home. Beautiful. Oh, look at that. Look at that pizza. Ah! Ah! We've got the beautiful Nutella here, which now what I do is just plop it on, throw it in, who cares? Oh yeah, this one beautiful! And as the chef, you can lick at the spoon. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Now we've got the almond, which before I fry. Sprinkle them on. Doesn't matter if you got a lot. Oh, the roasted smell is so beautiful. I like the nuts. I smell like back home, you know. And there you, and there you have. Ah! It burned my finger. That's the sound of my son Roberto making in the bedroom. He must be doing this all night like this. He must burn himself. And there you have margarita pizza and a nice big Nutella pizza. Thank you very much everybody. Stay safe and look after yourselves. Remember, food is love. I'm Pippo Siciliano. Thank you very much. Ciao.